Hello everybody. Today we're going to be learning Hello everybody, Portiltech here. Today we're going to be learning how to create a our first C# application with Visual Studio. First, you want to make sure that you have Microsoft Visual Studio 2015 and you want to click New Project. Hopefully, you have included Visual C# inside of your project. So we're going to call it Console Application, and we can rename it to anything that we want. Let's call it Memes. Now let us press OK. There's a thing called Windows Forms application. It is actually a better thing to use, but we're gonna learn the basics first instead of the hard ones. Console application is actually the one that you want to start off with today. And when it loads, okay. So as you can see here, you have this little pre-typed code. So we're just going to get my computer. Okay. Alright, so we're going to put under static void main string args, whatever. We're gonna actually do something. No, we're not gonna use integers yet. We're gonna put console dot write and we're going to put quotation marks here and say hello world, and we're gonna use a semicolon here, and we're gonna say start debugging. I probably should have captured this on camera. It will open up the program, then just straight up close it. So first, see that? So what we're gonna do to make sure that it stays open is, sorry, I had to pause that because there was a little kid yelling in the hallway, and he's my little brother. So we're just gonna here's the code. So as you can see right after static void, we're gonna make yet another static void. So static, sorry, I gotta fix that. Oh, there we go. So right after these little parentheses, curvy ones, we're gonna say static void pause. And okay, so right here we're gonna put a little thing that says pause. And there's always got to be a semicolon after it. Oops. So after this we're gonna put pause. Oh wait, no. Inside of the pause little static void, we're just, hold on. We're gonna add a little, so as you can see, we're just gonna type this little curvy bracket. So right here, and it's amazing because it will automatically type the other curvy bracket for you, and after you do that, it'll make them sort of on different lines and something in the middle. Okay? And inside of these curly parentheses, we want to put absolutely nothing but console dot, not castle, console dot read key, and read key, and then a semicolon. You don't put anything inside of these parentheses, nor do you in. For a second I thought I was sitting on my puppy through that blanket. Because it was warm and it was also sort of lumpy, but I didn't. It was flat, and I was like, oh my god, did I kill my brand new puppy? I just got it, but nah. Let's minimize this. So, what we're gonna do is, we're gonna debug it. And now, it read my Windows key when I was gonna zoom out. So, you want to press absolutely nothing except for your mouse or you can use your mouse or something like that, but how about no? You can use your mouse, but as soon as you press a key, it'll go away. So now let's say that we want to create a new calculator. So console.write input first integer, and this will only do this will not do any full numbers. So this will only do full numbers. There cannot be decimals. So we'll teach that in another video. It will not produce full numbers, but nor will it crash. It will just leave the decimals out. And we're gonna make an integer 32. I'm just gonna make it a simple integer, actually. And we're gonna call it memes, I guess. Oh wait, I think it's because there's already an integer. Oh, it cannot start with a capital letter for that. Wait, no, I'm pretty sure that's Ruby, but whatever. Billy Mays here. And we're gonna put alright, we're just gonna add a new integer actually. We're just gonna call it yay, no caps, integer yay equals, I'm gonna just convert it to a 32-bit integer, okay? Convert dot to integer 32, okay? And then I'm just gonna put oh no, quotation marks, console dot read line, and then that, and we're not gonna put semicolons in the middle of this. And as you can see, we've created that, and we're gonna make a second console dot write input second integer, and we're just gonna try this just to get a little example of a little problem that's gonna happen, okay? We don't have our own line, so that's the problem. Since there isn't a second line, it will just simply just be crap, okay? So we're just gonna put another int a2, because that is already an integer, equals convert dot to int 32, and then we're gonna put console dot read line. Okay, so just as we did originally. Oh, okay, so I'm running out of time on my software. The game show software actually doesn't work very well, and encoder doesn't work at all. So I'm just gonna, so to fix this little problem, we're gonna make another line. We're gonna call it write line instead of just write, and it will create its own line, okay? So let's get to this. We're gonna add another simple line dot write line, and I'm just gonna make it a simple little line, and then I'm just gonna copy this, and your sum is, and then we're just gonna put these here. This will not appear inside of the thing, so we're just gonna call it oh crap, oh yeah, it's yay plus, or it can be times. You cannot use the x object because it will assume that is an integer. We can use division, or we can just use subtraction, and to get the remainders you just use this. Okay, so yay plus yay 2. I'm just gonna use the simple little yay plus yay 2, and then start the program. Crap, I already entered those numbers. Okay, so look at that. So if we want to save this to an executable file, then watch this. Solution Explorer. And now right click on memes, build. Okay, after it's done building, you want to go to open file folder in File Explorer, double click bin, double click debug, and now we got memes.exe. Da-da-da! And if we insert a letter, then it'll just crash. Alright, goodbye!